As sound tools develop, users do not simply consider function but sound quality. Many companies have begun to provide various sound techniques for this type of consumer. However, user evaluation is not always positive. The simple reason is that each person has their own point of view. Different people enjoy having different effects. Some people like hard-hitting bass, while some people enjoy high, vivid sounds. As you may know, Samsung's DNSe, or Digital Natural Sound Engine, is one of the most highly rated field techniques to date. In order to satisfy each person's desires, Samsung announced the new version of their sound field tectonic, a DNSe 3.0, a product that may have devoted a massive amount of resources to. Through 1.0 and 2.0, DNSe has received outstanding evaluations concerning its natural sound. Now let's explore what's new in DNSe 3.0. Compressing an audio file down to MP3 is very convenient because it greatly reduces the size of the file. However, as a result, it actually damages the sound quality. DNSe's 3.0's audio upscaler works to repair this damage that is caused by condensing. And thus creates a deeper, more vivid sound. Street mode has been implemented in order to provide listeners with a vivid sound in an area where there is a lot of outside noise by increasing the substitute volume. DNSe has several sound effects to choose from. These include normal, studio, rock, classical, jazz, ballad, club, rhythm and blues, and dance. A change from previous versions is that the concert hall effect that was provided in 2.0 has been divided into 3 parts, including cafe, concert, and church. One outstanding function is auto-function DNSe, which automatically adjusts itself to fit the music. Users can modify EQ, 3D, bass, concert hall, and clarity via My DNSe. Equalizer has been divided into 7 customizable subparts.
It just ain't the same, always change. New days are strange as the world is
3D and bass is a technique that strengthens the low compass. In concert hall, users can modify both size and level to generate a satisfying space representation. The last function of DNSe 3.0 is VSP. Normally, when the speed of the music gets slower or faster, the tone of the sound is also changed. VSP is the audio technique that maintains the tone of the sound even if the playing speed is altered. Likewise, when the play speed is changed, other tools act to change the tone of the sound. The VSP technique allows users to manipulate the speed of music while preserving the sound tone. This can be useful in many ways, depending on the user's desired outcome, such as studying songs or for language study. For some time now, MP3 player users have been considering function more than the quality of sound. This means it's hard to recognize the development of sound field techniques. I'd like to give a high score on this because the DNSe technique provides vivid sound changes through 2.0 and 3.0. I look forward to seeing you again. I'm Chad Burton. Thanks.